So these folks with their racism, like I said, I love when they pay money for it. I love stories like this we're about to talk about. So they talk about an insurance company out of Denver had to pay $20.5 million to settle claims that discriminated against black and female employees. So they say black employees at Jackson National Life Insurance claim they were routinely passed over promotions and paid less than their white colleagues, according to an EEOC complaint. It said the workers were not only subjected to a toxic work environment, but they also faced sexual harassment and dubbed resident streetwalkers, called lazy, and other slurs and insults. At a company party, one black female employee was asked to get on her knees while holding a bottle of vodka. Brad, he's just straight disrespecting a black woman. But we got, silly females. I call them very silly women, taking all these pictures with Brad and act like they want something. I shake my head with that. So they say the complaint was filed September 2016. Further accused Jackson National Life of retaliating against those who dared to speak up about the ongoing abuse. Reportedly fired a white executive who refused to pen a negative evaluation for two black female employees who complained. So they say a Tennessee-based company was under a 4-year consent decree, court records show, who has been ordered to pay $20.5 million in attorney fees, damages, and costs to the 21 complainants at its Denver and Nashville offices. So they say while there have been no finding by a court or jury that Jackson violated laws, we are humbled and recognize associates who made claims in this case believe they were not treated fairly in a way that aligns with Jackson's core values, according to their spokesman. Okay, so they said the agreement is believed to be the largest of any kind in its history of the EEOC Denver and Phoenix offices. So they said, I hope it sends a message to the whole financial industry. EEOC Regional Attorney Mary Jo O'Neill told the Denver Post in a recent interview. He said, this is an industry where there are very well paying jobs and it's all been the domain of white males. Jackson National Life agreed to the settlement and said it hopes it can move forward. So all the time they agreed to a settlement like that, unless they had them dead to rights. That's the only way they'll settle with you like that. Because they know they didn't do nothing wrong, they'd have fought it in court. So yeah, those 21 black folks got broke off. I mean, that's good money for everybody. If you think about it, that's some real good money, definitely for those 21 people. So I love when racism have to pay. I love it. Black folks, sue on top of sue. There are lawyers that can't wait to get those kind of cases. Trust me. So you have been discriminated against on the job. You notice all that. You definitely document everything. And then bring it to a lawyer and see if you got a case. But do what the lawyer tell you, go to EEOC, do everything you have to do, but get the bag, from these companies that's trying to be discriminatory against you. But leave me a comment, let me know what you think about this particular story about these black folks who won $20.5 million in a case. That is a great thing. I'm very proud of those brothers and sisters for fighting and getting their paper, because if they start paying more settlements like this, it'll calm them down just a little bit.